as everyone can see, jacked up safeties just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, those bolts, and it should come out. Number 2 is out. Use the 14 deep socket. Make sure to have it handy. Don't lose them. You will need them. Number 1 is out. Not too bad. Let's see what happens here. It literally just came right out. Slid right out. All right. I don't think I'm gonna need the 4 bolts, but let's see. The new washers will show. Seeing a lot of videos of connecting this, but from what my own personal experience right now, instead of doing it to the pipe first and then here simultaneously, it seems to be working a bit better. So that's what the finished product looks like. Fits pretty well, I must say. Sorry for the finger.